Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So it's Monday, but actually it's a holiday. So which means it's quite similar to the weekend. So I'm just going to do the weekly analysis because actually yesterday I did not do that. Yes, some of the markets, especially currency pairs, they are trying to move, but not that much. So but I can't say the market actually opened. So from tomorrow, for the stock market, I'm talking about the NASDAQ and US30s, they are going to be moving. But I think we're gonna have a biggest move actually from Wednesday, as we have something. We have something good actually. We have economic news. I see on Wednesday we have like FOMC meeting minutes around 9 p.m. And before after, let's say after the market open, we have like manufacturing PMI on Wednesday, by the way. So obviously on Wednesday they want to talk about the interest rates, where they think the interest rates they're gonna go, maybe up or down. But it seems like things are now going down, or the inflation is going down a little bit, which means they might not increase the rates, or if they increase, they going to use like seriously smaller basis points. Maybe let's say, because the last time was 50, maybe this time they're gonna use maybe 25 basis points, right? So on Thursday we have a non-farm employment change, ADP. That is not really aggressive, it's fine. So on Friday we have NFP, which the market can actually go like seriously crazy this Friday, by the way. So yeah, I think that is the only important thing that we have this week. But the thing is, the market is opening. It's 2023, so yeah, I hope maybe things they're going to go according to plan. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what's really happening? I will just start with NASDAQ. Actually, this is weekly analysis, but this is the first of the year, by the way. So I need to use a bigger time frame so that we can see exactly what's really happening. You can see here we had some seriously great moves, actually from 2020. Let's say, if you still remember, around February 2020, there was this thing of Corona, and then the market started to go crazy low. But that was short lived, because since then, around March, and March 2020 to December 2021, yeah, that was like seriously very nice. The market was actually going up. But since then, actually, since that December, January, the market started to sell. The market was selling off. So, which means there is a chance for the market to do what? To reach this area, the highest level that we had actually before the corona outbreak. Do you see that? So, which means if the market does that, we expecting the market to reach 10K or maybe 9K. I think that maybe will help the market maybe to start to push the upside. But currently, we can easily see that yes, the market is been selling actually for the whole year, which means there is a room actually for a bounce. There is enough room for a bounce back. So if we go close there, I'm not just going to go close, because tomorrow I'm still going to do another daily analysis. So I just want, for now, we just have to just check the bigger picture. So what I see here is the market actually reached the lowest level currently, which means if the market breaks this level, we no longer have any other support until we reach this one around 10, which, as I was just showing you, that is the one that the time of corona outbreak. Do you see that? And I can't just say that it's a support. It's not a support. It's just a structure or a zone where the market actually reached. So there is a chance for the market to reach that before pushing up. Or there is a chance also for the market to break. And if that happens, yeah, we're going to see flames. That actually will mean a recession. That will actually mean recession, because that sell-off like that, we never saw it in a while. But I think maybe the market will be trying to recover. So what we see is the things are still simple. As we follow the trends, you can easily see that actually the market is been pushing lower for quite some time. So why will you look for buy positions if the market is downtrending? Actually, it means we have to look for it for sell positions because the market it's going down. The sell momentum is still very, very, very strong. So yeah, I'm just trying to go through this. It's not like a proper analysis where I say you should sell, buy here. No, no, no. We don't do it. We're not doing that. This is just an overview of what might happen. Actually, maybe this week or actually the whole of the year. But I think there is still a room for the market to do it, to sell off. But after this, I no longer know. Maybe the market will just keep pushing lower and lower. But currently, currently, uh, currently, 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 I, currently, I just sorry. Currently, I just think the market will be going down. You see. So, but anyways, yeah, I think the market is still on that bearish as we still have that resistance. So there is a chance for the market to do it, to break that area before pushing up. If we don't see any break, I think the market will be trying to show us that, you know what, I'm still on a sell. But since they're going to lower the interest rates, or I think maybe that will boost the market to push to a different direction. I hope you see that. So now we are on US30 on a daily time frame. So what do we see? Yes, quite similar, not exactly the same, but quite similar to what we saw on NASDAQ. What's really happening is, since we started, the market still was pushing actually on this nice downtrend. Or maybe let me see, because I think the market just it's continuing with that downtrend. So let me see if I draw, come on. If I draw something here, does that make some sense? I don't think it makes sense. I don't think it makes sense. Yeah, we can even draw something like that, but I think that will be a bit confusing because now we're going to have two resistance. But what I see is the market actually was also respecting this area. Do you see this area? So I think that still falls under our bearish momentum. I think the market is still selling on US30 also. That's why I did not draw this actually this line. So which means, yeah, let's still we still can actually look for actually sell momentum or bearish momentum, as I think the market will be trying to continue like that. And by the way, we saw that actually on NASDAQ already. It's around the lowest side, so which means even US30 can still follow that. I'm not saying it's going to follow, but there is a chance for the market to follow that, right? So yeah, let's push to the next one. I'm still bearish actually on US30. So for those who wants to join the team, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. You can see on the screen that is just a limited number for few people, for those who wants to join the VIP signals. So yeah, let's push to the next one. I'm not going to do so many stuff here. I'm just going to do very, very few. So now we are on US oil. What's really happening? I like the structure here. I like the structure here. I like seriously the structure because it's just straightforward. You can easily see that, yeah, the market is actually going down. The market is actually pushing lower, even though there's waves, ups and downs. But at the end of the day, you see that the market was actually pushing down. Do you see that? So that helps us to have a nice, actually a simplest a direction, or to have better trades, because we just going to go with the market. We just going to follow the market. Do you see that? I'm just going to continue with the market. If the market is going down, I'm just going to continue with that. Do you see that? I'm just going to continue with that. So that's what I see actually. So whatever that's it's happening currently, yes, it doesn't really matter. Just find a where you supposed to do it. Are you supposed to sell? Currently, the nearest resistance, I think, is this one. I think the market might still try to push that. If we push, you can see that it's actually very strong. Let me show you that. You see? That actually connected with this area. So remember, this is like a daily time frame. So there is a very strong link there. So there is a chance for the market to do what? To push up to this point before maybe pushing lower. Yes, there is a chance for the market to push a little bit up, maybe respect this area of resistance before going down again, or maybe the market can just break. But for now, we actually don't know. It seems like the market is just trying to range here. The market is just consolidating around that area. But just know that actually the market it's actually consolidating. Do you see that? So yeah, what I'm going to do here is I think the market is just consolidating. So I think maybe the market will just continue consolidating around this area. So yeah, let's move to the next one. Which is gold. So what's really happening on gold? You can easily see that the market is actually pushing to the upside. The market is going up, which we call that an uptrend, and it's very strong. But we will see this week what's going to happen, because we have some news. We have NFP and also FOMC meeting that might make things to change very aggressively, by the way. So, but what we see is that the market is doing what? The market is trying to push the upside. Do you see that? So I'm actually bullish, but we have to know where we're supposed to buy. Currently, the market is where we see a resistance. So you can't just buy there. You can wait maybe for the market to break that area before you say you buy. Do you see that? So yeah, even if maybe we try to zoom, as this is weekly analysis, I'm not going to point on each and every candlestick, but you can see that after this resistance, yes, we can continue with a buy. The reason behind that is we are following the trend. We follow the trend. If the trend is still pushing up, then we're going to take that as a buy. Do you see that? So I'm looking for a buy actually on gold. So, but I'm just waiting for the market to go through, or to push after that resistance. Do you see that? Or maybe the market will find a support there, and then a resistance there, and try maybe to bounce back. We will be watching, by the way, so I'll be also updating you. So let's move to the next one and see what's really happening. Yeah, on this one, it's USDJPY. We smashed this one very hard. I think it was just straightforward. But with the structure, you can easily see that, the market has been pushing lower and lower. Do you see that? We are on a very nice bearish momentum. By the way, we also have this consolidation move. Do you see that? We also have this consolidation move here. And even here, the market did repeat and do the same thing. So that's why we actually doing what? We're following this downtrend. And you can see we had a sell here. We smashed that one. But the market has been playing games around that zone. But if you know, you know. Obviously, you were not going to leave that one out. That was a very nice opportunity. So what might happen here is, since JPY or Japanese yen, it's very strong, I'm expecting maybe to see another move quite similar. I can throw this maybe here. Then another similar move, which is going to be something like this. Because the market has been doing something like that for quite some time now. So it's just trying to follow whatever that happened before. But with bit of experience, that will help you actually to have like seriously better decisions, like you see. So I'm expecting another stronger sell. I hope you see that. So this move here, you see, it's even here that happened. Even here, the market did the same thing. So it's not like maybe it's a new move or something. I've been like seriously discussing about this. If you ask my students, they will tell you that that is the basic thing that we actually do with our training. So I think maybe on the Euro USDs, everything is still straightforward. I think maybe even the video is very long now, so yeah, I think we'll talk tomorrow. We'll actually resume actually starting from tomorrow, but actually a proper way will be on Wednesday. That will be a very good way to go. But for now, we're still just preparing preparing our analysis because I'm expecting the market actually to move very nice. But maybe this year will be the end of this bearish move that we got actually on the indices like NASDAQ, US30, S&P 500. Maybe that is the end of that. Maybe we will start to see those bullish moves. Do you see that? I'm expecting to see some very nice bullish moves. So yeah, for now, I think the market is still moving very nice. I'm not expecting much from the market. So it's just us actually to relax and see what's really happening and follow the rules. So yeah, you don't have to actually know much. You don't actually have to know like extra stuff, which doesn't really matter. The best thing that you can do is stay disciplined. This is still very fresh. Actually, you can start from now on and just keep your discipline. Then one way or another, you're gonna make it. So not easy, by the way, but you're still gonna make it. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo. Xtrahot Forex. If you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. Just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. Then I will see you on the other side. Bye.